Welcome to another educational, entertaining and funny episode on Caught on DashCam. In today's episode again we prepared the fresh and amazing content of bad drivers on the road, so watch carefully and learn from their mistakes. Important to notice is that we do not condone any violence and also nobody is injured in our videos. Enjoy.
嗰啲叫做電信商就已經喺度初步有啲協議㗎啦，就第日咧有啲咩事嘅時候咧，就會轉過去俾其他電信商，唔係淨係因為我哋。羅渣士嘅，咁啊其他電信商係好似呢個羅渣士咁有問題咧，一樣都會要求翻羅渣士。總言之咧，大家點樣可以守望相助，令到我哋嘅國民唔會話啊連警都報唔到啊，即係全部嘢癱瘓，錢又收唔到，生意又做唔到，因為個網絡嘅關係。
I think it's have that much space in it.
Well, it's because you always.
You don't hang out with your birthday.
It's always because Pa has to. Oh my god. What the fuck?
What the? 我先攞咗開始影住咗。What the? Yeah. Yeah, that was scary shit, man. It just appeared out of nowhere.
Well, that sucks. Well, that sucks.
But as you guys can see, I'm heading home. Traffic hour in San Diego, so I proceed to merge to the right. I did use my blinker. Can't prove that, but I did use it. As you can see, traffic slows down. Vehicle jerks forward, and you will see why. So at this instance, you know, traffic slows down. I'm looking at my rearview mirror. And all of a sudden, the Tesla gives me an audio. Look down at the screen, try to look at what I'm missing, and it jerks slightly forward. But because of this, I did get to see this in the rearview mirror. Want to say, hey, everybody, wear your seatbelts. This guy almost hits a Porsche. Almost hits this guy for what he did. Switches 2 lanes to the right. Just keeps driving forward. It's not like he missed his exit. He just kept driving forward. So either this driver was distracted, he just didn't care, maybe asleep, drunk driver, I don't know. But stay safe out there.
Hey, Bruce, did you guys learn about the Persian Gulf War in school? Because I just found out about it. This guy's running a red light right in front of me. Wow. Alexa, play my foot. Jesus Christ.
Joe. Dummies. When they get in the correct lane in the first place.
Yep.
Instead of trying to force their way in on both
Oh,
sides.
did you see he cut off the car that was in this
I
lane?
know.
Had to slam on his brakes. Thanks. Oh my God. Cut the positive wire from the button and the thing turned off. Damn. Yeah, the neighbors were not happy with that one. That was at like 11 at night.